In this video, I will exactly show you which bot make how much money for me in the last month and overall how much it is making. So first of all, you have to go to the TradingBotLab website. From here, you can go to the live trading results. And here you can see our top performing EAs on the top, and here in the list you can analyze all these bots. Here at the top of the list, the PT Scalper Pro with the EC market with a deposit of $1,000, it just made $2,390 in how much time? In just 2 days. And at the second number is again the PT Scalper on the Star Trader with a deposit of $200 in a cent account, and here is the total balance, total amount, gain and profit, everything you can see. And the third number is again the PT Scalper. Here below is the range breakout EMT5, which is deposit is the $5,000. And by this way you can analyze all these bots available, which bot is making how much. And now let's see which bot make lowest gain overall in 26 days. The PT Scalper Pro again with the safest setting, it just made $3,304 with a $1,000 deposit, and the total drawdown is 12%. Here the drawdown is clearly mentioned in percentage, the win rate, the monthly profit, and the gain. And here above in the left section you can analyze every bot's performance in more depth. For example, here I select the PT Scalper, and in the live sync under this there are multiple accounts. I can select this one, this one, this one, and here is the $500 self and $5,000 self. These are our account. These are from the Germany investor. On my $500 account it just made $94. These are the cents. Here clearly mentioned these are cents. We are working with 100% transparency. That's why we clearly mention if an account is a standard account or USC account. You can see the total drawdown, the win rate, and all other details. Here is the graph. You can see the graph is making up. We make a withdraw here, again a withdraw here, again here and here, and at this time the progress is going up and it reached almost $38 and ready to make a withdrawal. Here below you can see monthly breakdown. In May it made 2.3%, in June it made 13.8%, and in July it made 2.8%, and now it's the 13th of July and it already made 2.8%. We can expect it may cross 5 or 6% in this month. And below here, if you want to see the current active positions, you can see here, and the last 50 closed trades, the list is here. You can see everything with fully transparency. And also here I will add the investor password, so you simply go to the website and log into that account, analyze everything on your own. And here in the list there are multiple boards. You can see the deposit, net profit, win rate, and drawdown. Here with every board you can see, and these are the free trading boards available on the MQL5 market. Simply go to the MQL5 market and then search for this one. You can copy paste this name and you can verify everything here under the range breakout on my live account. And also you can see the backtest results, how much it made in the backtest and now how much it is making in the live test. And by this way you can analyze every bot here available in this list. We are working day by day on the TradingBotLab and adding more and more good EAs for you with the verified backtest and live test results. If you have any question or not able to understand the structure of our website, simply go to the help section and you can watch video guides step by step. And still if you don't know, you can simply contact our live support. When you click on it, you need to create a ticket and ask your question. Our team will do our best to give answer as soon as possible. For now, that's it. See you soon in the next video. Goodbye.